Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send video on your Gmail. So if you want to send a video file to your friends or maybe colleagues through Gmail, I'm going to show you how. So first you just need to compose the email. Just click on this and then you'll be directed to the compose page. Just type in the recipient email and then the subject let's video. Okay, so here if you want to add the video, just click on the attachment at the top, this one right here, and click on attach file, and you'll be directed to the file manager in your device. So if you want to add the video, just go to the videos right here and then choose the video that you want to send. For example, I want to send this video. Oops. Okay, I'm going to choose another video. Okay, this one right here, and then the video will be attached to your mail. And if you want to send it, just click on the send icon at the top, and just like that, the video has been sent on your Gmail to your friends. Okay, so that's it from me. That is how you can send a video on Gmail. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe our channel. See you guys in the next tutorial. Bye bye.